Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Forex Warfare here, coming back with another video. But today we're going to be talking about Fibonacci retracement. And for this one, we're going to be going on mostly 1 hour is what you'll be doing with Fibonacci retracement. But if you want to take it to another level, you can go with the 4 hour. But with the Fibonacci retracement, I advise you guys to go with the 1 hour, as it always works for me. So when I do this, I will first go over here and get the Fibonacci retracement. And if it's a sell, you would want to go from the top and mark your way down to the support that you have that I should be doing right now. So I'm going to draw out my support first and put my Fibonacci retracement all the way down there. So let me get my horizontal line and draw my support for this next short. And I'm thinking that it might be going all the way, honestly, for this one, I think it would be going all the way down here, and that will be the support. And for the next support, it will be down there. And let me just draw that out. So that's our two support levels that we can have. And then we're going to put another short position here that if it does go there, you can enter another one. And that's for the second order that if it does. So for the shorting, what you will do on the Fibonacci retracement, let me just make it bigger so I can explain to you what those percentages mean. Okay, so when it does go back here onto to the 6.18 zone, it might have a drawback and bounce right back up. So that could be another long position you can enter when it goes down. So this thing is great for entering multiple trades at a time and profiting them throughout the hour. So if it does go back down all the way to the 50 or 6.18, you can have another chance to buy and go back here, close the profit, and have another sell order here and go back down as soon as it draws back and repeats the order all the way down here or all the way here. And then if it does go here, you need to be more cautious as it could go back all the way up here. And we need to draw our trend line so we have that set from all the way here. And as you guys can see, it almost had a big breakout, but it didn't. So we're going to put that there, and we're going to put another one from here to there. And if it hits that x-intercept, something might be going on with the AUD USD. And as we do this, we also want to set up an alert on to wherever your stop loss will hit. So if you want to set up an alert here, if it does break there, you want to be more cautious. So if we go here, I think we can do it throughout here, add alert, and now it has an alert. That way you don't have to go throughout the whole process of going there. And you can also do one there if it does go here, so you can be more cautious here. And then you can also set up your buy limits and sell limits without the Fibonacci retracement, and it will make your life a whole lot easier. So thank you guys for watching, and please rate, like, comment, and subscribe.